Hi there. In this video, I'll show you how to use the import HTML formula in Google Sheets. With this formula, you can import data from a table or list within an HTML page. When you find a table or list on a website and you want to import all this data into Google Sheets, you don't need to copy and paste the data. Copying and pasting data manually is not the most efficient way to import data. It's a repetitive manual task that won't keep your data up to date. There's a better way. I'll show you how to transfer data from the website to your spreadsheet automatically using the import HTML function. So let's get started. In this video, I'll show you how you can use the import HTML function to transfer the data from a Wikipedia page. I'm going to extract the data from this table, which presents a list of countries ranked by their total wealth. First, I'll open a new spreadsheet. I'll call it Countries by Total Wealth. Now let's use the import HTML function. The formula is simple. It's import HTML and between parentheses the URL, query, and index. I'll type in import HTML and open parenthesis. Now I have to include the URL of the website I want to import data from. Make sure you type in the URL inside quotation marks. Then, I'll add a comma. The query is either table or list. In this case, it's a table. I'll type in table in quotation marks again, and comma. Then, the index identifies which table or list you want to import data from. It's the first table on the page, so I'll type in 1 and close parentheses. When I hit enter, the data will appear. Now I want to import the data from the second table. I'll create a new tab in Google Sheets. Now I'll copy and paste the formula and I'll just edit the number. I'll type in the number 2. There you go. Google Sheets has imported all the data from the second table. That's how you can import data from a website using the import HTML function in Google Sheets. Keep in mind that import HTML will keep the data in the spreadsheet updated. Whenever the table is updated on the website, the new data will overwrite the old one in Google Sheets. If you want to keep track of historical data, check out the video in the description below and learn how to append data. Don't forget to check out our other videos, subscribe to our channel or visit sheetgo.com for more spreadsheet-based automation ideas. Thanks for watching and give us a thumbs up if you liked the video.